back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be in the healthcare field, dealing with medical records. We're going to dive in. Just note the links to all the pages I share, including this Glassdoor page, is directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. If you are watching on a phone or on a computer or on a TV, the way to get to the description box might be a little bit different. I don't know that you can get to it from a TV. Just know that going in, you may have to pull this up on your YouTube app on your phone if you're looking to get those links. Of course, if you enjoy healthcare job leads, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me direct feedback that these are the types of job leads you're looking to see, and share with all your friends and family because we all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Today's job lead comes from the company Randstad. Now, Randstad is a staffing agency, a well-known staffing agency at that. Never fear staffing agencies. They may be temporary positions that turn into full-time permanent positions on the company's payroll. But Randstad themselves have 9,000 reviews from past and current employees on Glassdoor. Out of those reviews, they have an employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They have an opening for a medical records representative. Now, a few things to note. This is a temporary position, only requires a high school diploma, no college degree, and is paying $19.63 an hour. They are looking for somebody to work 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., so it is a daytime shift, and it does say this is a remote work from home opportunity. You do need some medical records experience. It's an 8-month contract, and you can live anywhere in the United States as long as you have high-speed internet connection that you can hardwire into your computer. You can't use Wi-Fi. But if that is something that sounds like you, they're looking for somebody to basically process medical records received in the HEDIS or other related projects. You're going to index these medical records into the computer system. You may have to pick up the phone and make outbound phone calls to call provider offices to confirm medical record contact information if you can't confirm that in any other ways. You'll fax medical records requests to providers' offices, and you'll process invoices for those medical records from provider offices and vendors. They are looking for somebody who has medical records experience, 2 or more years, somebody who can perform in a production-based environment under tight deadlines. And of course, you've got to be able to use computers effectively, specifically those Microsoft Office systems, Excel, Outlook, Word, all of that. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.